Okay, can you give your attention to me? Don't draw anything anymore. Okay, I think most of you all draw the circle, try to label the 2 points. Okay, there is another kind of sketch. When I say it's a sketch, it's not drawn to scale. I just need to internalize how the question looks like. What is given in the question? Everyone tell me there is a circle. Am I right? So I will draw my circle. After drawing the circle, you know there are 2 points. I no need to be exact. I just label the 2 points first. One is called A, one is called B, and I'm going to write down the coordinates. This is not drawn to scale. I just need to visualize on it. Agree? You know that there are 2 points lying on the circle. What else is given?
The center is on the line.
Okay, the center is on the line. That one is very important. The center is on a straight line. Okay, how to draw that straight line? I don't know. I just anyhow draw a straight line that passes through the center. And I need to have the equation of that straight line as well. First thing, what do you think you need to find out? You need to find out center. Good. What else do you need to find out? You need to find out the radius. Because so long I have these 2 information, I will be able to solve the question. Okay, now look here. Don't copy, just look over here. I'm going to show you the concept. If you have learned in properties of circle, alright, what are some useful properties of circle? You can tell me straight away. What? Properties of circle. Anyone? No? Okay, how about if let's say I draw this? Would you be able to give me, if I join a line A to B, and then I join O to A, I join O to B. Can you tell me? Right angle. Wow, is that you are? Right angle, isosceles triangle. All agree? Why? Radius. OB and OA are the radius. Okay, don't blink, don't draw. I already told you not to draw, you just listen only. I'm going to tell you the concept because this is a very useful concept. In an isosceles triangle, did you learn that I can bisect the triangle into 2 halves? And when you bisect at right angle. Are you aware of this? Who never learned this before? Okay, this line which I just draw in bold, there is a special name. This is called the, not just a bisector, perpendicular bisector. Okay, what do you see now about the perpendicular bisector? Do you notice the perpendicular bisector passes through the center of the circle as well? You agree? And that is what we're going to do. If you can find the perpendicular bisector of the circle, triangle. If you can find the equation of the perpendicular bisector of the line AB, am I right to say this purple line cut the blue given line at where? Center. You just have to make use of simultaneous equation, and we are done. By solving the 2 pairs of simultaneous equations, you'll be able to locate the center. Once you locate the center, it's in the form of a coordinates, right? Can you tell me how are we going to find the radius? The distance between O to B or the distance between O to A. And we are done. That is the concept. Agree?
Yes.
And this is a very brilliant concept. The concept is whenever you are given this kind of circle, only points are given on the circle, and there is the center never give you coordinate, give you a line lies on a particular line. You tell yourself, make use of the fact of an isosceles triangle. Because in an isosceles triangle, you can make use of a perpendicular bisector. Okay, this is the concept I would like you to remember. Very useful property. So let us get started. I already showed you the overall picture. Am I right? So what is the first thing you will want to find out? Remember, our job is to find the equation of the purple line. What is the job you want to do? Sorry? Gradient of AB. Agree? So please write down gradient of AB. I don't need to write down in words. Alright, 6 plus 2, 2 plus 2, so it's 2. Yes. Thank you. After finding the gradient of AB, you also need to find the midpoint. Thank you very much. Because you will need this point because the perpendicular bisector passes through the midpoint AB. Ashwa, how do we find the midpoint AB?
2 plus -2.
Okay, the average of the x coordinate divided by 2.
6 plus -2.
Agree? But if the gradient of AB is not useful, I don't want AB. Which gradient do I want, Joey? The purple line. But the purple line has a relationship to the line AB. Am I right? What relationship? Perpendicular. When you see this word perpendicular, one thing must come to your mind. The product of the gradient is -1. Have you learned that last year? Linear law, coordinate geometry. The product of their gradient is -1. I'm going to write this way. Gradient of perpendicular bisector multiplied by the gradient which we found will be equal to -1. Agree? Anyone lost right now? Now, am I able to find the equation of the straight line now? I have the gradient. I have the point it lies on. Okay? So, very quickly, y equal mx plus c. I'm going to fill in the gradient now. Using what Ashra helped us to find out, which is the midpoint of AB, I substitute inside. And you realize this is a very useful trick. Why? I have the equation of the purple line. I have the equation of the blue line as well. Agree? And Yihao, what do you say just now? How to solve? Simultaneous equation. Do you see this trick in the linear law chapter as well? Whenever you need to find the unknown coordinates of a point, you need to find some equation of a line, and then you solve for simultaneous equation, you can find the intersection point. Okay? It's a useful trick. So our label, equation 1, equation 2. Solve for simultaneous equation. Okay? At this present moment, I'll pause. Can you copy whatever is necessary and solve for this pair of simultaneous equation first? Okay, tell me, what is the coordinate of this center? Okay, I'm going to give you 2 minutes. Okay, good boy. Lisa is asking how come the -2, -1, and the 2, 6 are not proportional one. Okay, like I say, I'm not going to scale. I'm drawing to visualize, that's all. Is your x equal to 2/3?
What is 2/3 for the other one? No, 2x equal to 2/3. Then what equals to y equals
X equal to 2/3, right? Okay, once you solve the pair of simultaneous equation, straight away you are able to locate the center. All agree? Are we almost done? What is left? What is left, Brandon? Radius. How can we find the radius? Okay, the distance formula. Alright? Minus, okay, let's use, I will prefer to use this point A because B has negative value. I don't want to make mistake. Okay, I believe this one you will have to use your calculator. After you use your calculator, can you tell me what is the answer here in terms of root term? 一号。25 over 30. Root of 25 over 25 over 30. 5 over 9.
equal to 4.5.
I don't need the 4.5. Why? We are not finding this as the answer. Remember, we need to use the center and radius to form our equation of the circle. Now, Jinan, how to form the equation of the circle? You don't need to copy, you just need to help me form only. Excuse me, all the hard part has been done. The center is here, the radius is here. Can you help me form the equation of the circle?
2 over 3 square plus square minus 1 and 2/3 square equals to 20 and 5 over 9.
Okay, because you already square the root term, so you only have a whole number. No, you only have a rational number here. Okay, class. This is one thing I need to alert you. Can you look here? I believe everyone won't have difficulty trying to expand. But take note, we are dealing with fractions. So when you expand, please be careful. Don't leave your answer in fractions. You need to make sure all of them are whole number. How can we do that? Multiply throughout by the common denominator. Can? Okay, I leave you 2 to 3 minutes. Go and finish this whole question up. Thank you. Okay, so this is a very lovely question.